everyone, so this is part 2 of the video and part 2 of the choreo. I'll go over it, the first part, first, and then we'll move on. So, you are my fire, the one desire, believe when I say that I want it that way. Okay, so once we got here, the next piece of choreo is a step touch. If you're sitting down, it can just be with arms, but how it works is you're gonna step touch and you're gonna pull in with your right elbow as you step to the right. So step, touch, and the timing for that is we are, bum, and we, bum, are, so you're gonna step, as you're stepping to the left and your right comes in, the word that you come in on is are. So, and we, bump, are, two, and you're just gonna look back. If you're sitting down, you're just gonna look back, but if you're standing up, you're gonna step back, and we, bump, are, two, and then on worlds, you're gonna just press forward, two, actually you're gonna press back, but your arm is gonna press forward, two, and then you're gonna step out, worlds apart. So, sorry, the timing on that is, and we, bump, are two worlds apart. So you're only going to be making the circle with your arms on the apart line, and it's just going to be a big circle. You don't need to complete it, it's just going to be down, and then they can rest at your sides afterwards. So again, slowly, that is, and we, bump, are two worlds apart. And so while you're doing the apart motion, you can also be stepping to the right. So, and we, bump, are two worlds apart. And I don't necessarily know the words for this part, but the next piece is, can we, I'll be guessing, so I'm sorry if I butcher it. Can we reach? And then you're gonna circle in, so it's in, out. So can we reach to your heart? So it's in, out. And you're just circling your arm in, so it's kind of to the side. Your palm should be facing the right. And then you're gonna circle back out, and it's like you're serving someone, or kind of like being like, please. So that's that move. Basically, it's, can we reach, like you're reaching for something, to, we reach to your, so again, you're flipping your arm to the left in a counterclockwise motion to reach, again, your palm to the right, and then to your heart. But while you're doing heart, we reach to your, you're gonna step forward as your arm is coming out. So reach to your, and then you rock forward, back, and you're gonna pull in with your arm. So we were here, and then you're gonna go forward, back. So all of that, again, is, and we, bump, are two worlds apart. Can we reach to your heart? And I say. So basically this next move is you're stepping back on your right, and you're going forward with your arms like this. Then I say that I want it that way. Similar to the move that we did at the very beginning. So break that down really slowly. Can we reach to your heart when, heart, yep, when I say that you're gonna cross, I want it that way. And so at the very beginning we did it right, left, but this time we're going left, right. And so yeah, again, it's a cross, open on your chest, and then pull down, down. Again, let's do that thing, whole thing again slowly, and then I'll continue on. So, and we are two worlds apart. Can we reach to your heart when I say that I want it that way? And sorry, again, it's stepping back on the right using your left. I was wrong on that last one. All right, moving on. I want it that way. And then since your hip's on the right, you're gonna wait. It's gonna be tell me why is the next line. So tell me, you're gonna wait and you're gonna step back. It's called a ball change usually. But you're step back and you're gonna only stay there for a second. You're gonna switch your weight to your right and then step forward on your left. So it's tell me why. And I don't know if you can see my feet, so I'm gonna do that again. But basically, tell me, and you don't move until why. Tell me, and then you're gonna step back on your left, meet your right foot where your left is, and then step forward on your left again. And that's pretty quick, so it's tell me why ain't. So you're gonna step forward on the ain't. So tell me why ain't. And tell me on the why part, you're gonna go tell me why. So you're just gonna lift your arms like why. And so tell me why, or tell me why, there we go, ain't. And then you're gonna go, again, you're gonna cross nothing but a cross open. Then you're gonna go heart ache. Similar to this move, you're just changing the arms a little bit. So it's tell me why ain't. I'm gonna step forward and close your feet. Ain't nothing but a. And you're gonna cross, and then as you're stepping on your left, open, heart ache. And then you're gonna go right, left, and then tell me, it's again, tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Tell me why. So this time you actually are moving on the tell me. So it's first one is tell me, and then you're not moving, and then you're moving on the why. So tell me why ain't nothing but a heart ache. And then tell me, step back on the right, tell me why ain't nothing. So you're just gonna step forward and cross. So tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. So you're just doing what you did on the left, right here, to a right, left there. So I'll go over that again slowly. So tell me, don't move into the why. Why ain't nothing but a heartache? Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. And so let's stop for right now and go all the way back to the second half of this, and then all the way to the beginning, and then I'll move on to the last little bit. We're almost there. Okay, so this, let's start from the midway point. So, and we step our two worlds apart. Can we reach to your heart when, ooh, see, yeah, even I messed up on that one. Heart, when, let's actually, I'm gonna change it. Let's step back on the left and use the left arm, and then use the right arm. So, I'm sorry about that. So it's reach to your heart when I step back on the left, use the left arm, say, step back on the right, use your right arm. That, ooh, what does the chord do? Say that that I want it. Okay, yes, I remember. Sorry about that. So let's just do that again. Let's just rewind. So it's, and we here are two worlds apart. Can we reach to your heart when I say that I want it that way? And then tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache? Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. And then I never wanna hear you say, yep,